Introduction to Social Video Marketing. What is social video marketing? On the surface, it's a way to get existing and potential customers to interact with your website. It's an entertaining way for you to get your message across. At best, it's a great way to improve your overall SEO picture. Social video marketing is nothing like those old TV commercials. Instead, it combines gripping images and motivational text or music to make your customers feel they need to do two things. Heed your call to action, and share your message with people they feel would appreciate what you have to offer. What social video marketing is not. Social video marketing is not a standard commercial. A film crew does not come to your place of business and build a highly choreographed visual press release. In fact, most social video marketing for small businesses takes place with the help of a good internet marketing specialist and a few people who have the talent to put a quick, entertaining video together. Quick cameras like the Flip and others like it make the process of producing and editing short films a snap. Social video marketing is not spam. Some businesses make the mistake of being overly forceful, which is something you definitely don't want to do. The most effective social video marketing campaigns are those that people actually want to watch. What social video marketing is? Putting out a black and white definition of social video marketing is nigh impossible. It's different things to different people. The best social video marketing doesn't really even look like marketing to most consumers, which is precisely why it is so effective. Here are just a few things that define social video marketing. Social video marketing triggers a psychological response. It creates a need and a drive to interact. You want your customers to see your videos and think, "Wow, I need to share this." Social video marketing uses platforms that are already in place. YouTube and Facebook are two examples of places where effective video campaigns enjoy red-hot success. People are always watching, sharing with friends, and taking action. Social video marketing is all about you and your business. It is original, fresh, and often funny or gripping in some other way. We've just barely covered the tip of the iceberg in this introduction. Find out more by talking with your online marketing specialist. He or she can give you even more specific insight about how to use this incredible tool to make your business more successful than you ever imagined it could be.